Success isn't an easy game that can be played by anyone. It means giving your whole day without expecting a reward or fearing failure. It is the continuous and endless effort you put towards a certain goal. It means having a blind faith, believing in yourself no matter how many times you face failures or feel disheartened in life. Whatever condition you are in does not matter. What truly matters is your direction, consistency, and patience. Success begins at the point where everyone else is filled with disbelief. But when asked for your opinion, you say, I can make it. This attitude is required for success. It doesn't matter what your surroundings says about you or what they believe about you. What matters is your conviction and your attitude towards your goal. If you listen to your surrounding, then you will stop yourself from reaching to that goal. For success, there has to be a continuous, non-stop fight between you and the belief of others. Because your surrounding will really believe that you can make it. They will try to convince you that you can't and try to make you believe that you should give up. At such time, you must be strong and tough. No matter how hard you fall, you must rise again. You have to challenge both your own doubts and the belief of those around you. You must train your mind to believe that you can make it, and the surrounding voices of doubt are unnecessary. Success is the voice of pain. It is the haze of life. It is not about how hard you work or how smart you are, but about how much you are willing to sacrifice. It is about painful nights and early mornings when others are enjoying their dreams and you are running on the road in winter. Success is all about belief. It is about how deeply you can conceive your dream and how far you are willing to go for it. It is about changing your attitude from I can't to how I can. When there is no way out, you create a way. When everyone has given up hope, your journey begins. Success demands sacrifice. Even when you have nothing in your pocket, but you stood high. Your dreams are high. Many people run on the track of success, but not all reach the destination, because success is a long journey. It is not a sprint, it is a marathon. In this race, you should not judge yourself. What you have to do is simply keep doing your work sincerely without stopping. The result will not appear quickly, they will show gradually. This is why many people start the race as participants but soon become spectators. They leave the race midway because they cannot hold on long enough. They fail to build a wall of belief strong enough to protect their dreams. Everyone is fascinated by the life of a successful person, but how many actually become successful? It is the real question. Most aspirants leave the race when they experience the bitter truth of success. when they realize how painful the journey is and how much they must sacrifice what they love. Success is not about being rich or famous. It is about convincing a dream and transforming it into reality. It means overpowering failures and proving to yourself that no matter how big the problems is, your task is to keep moving forward. Success means being fearless, standing up to the challenge and saying, "Come on, failures and difficulties, I'm ready for the fight." When life no longer means comforts to you, but it means sacrifice, pain and resistance, then you are truly on the path of success. You had participated in a quiz competition for years without being selected, and then one day you receive a message and saying you have been selected. All the pain of trying again and again turns into pure joy. You may struggle with mathematics and barely pass many times, but you work hard than earlier, and when you see your scorecard, your happiness is beyond words. It does not matter how you perform earlier. What matters is how you prepare now. Your dream is of becoming a singer, working hard on your voice while friends, colleagues and even family believe you can't, but you leave no space for their doubts in your mind. You keep practicing every day, and one day you are selected for a singing reality show and you win. Success is not determined by others' opinion. It depends on how you carry your thoughts and belief. You are performing dance in your annual day, but you feel frightened before performing on stage. But once you step onto it, you shine. This teaches us that fear exists only in imagination. Once we remove it and focus on ourselves, we perform our best. You are trying to be consistent and disciplined. For this, you are pushing yourself hard. But your mind reminds you of past failures. But when you look at your trophies and achievements, you regain motivation and move forward. Success is not just about dreaming and working towards a goal. It means absorbing your dream into your life, thinking, breathing and living it 24/7. When your goal becomes your worship, your life begins to change. Life is not just about waking up, eating and sleeping. It is about your choices and your beliefs in them.